Well, I think you're on, yeah.
Okay, we're going to do another video. Take off the clip that unfortunately we can't go out to the flat again. So we are staying in the flat with my carer Dominic, and also some of you guys really loved our assembly video last week. So we're going to do another assembly video again this week, and if it proves popular, we might do it every week or every other week.
Yeah, why not?
Okay, so last week it was Mr. Emsley doing assembly. This week it's Mr. Whittaker doing assembly for key day 1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
Oh, all of them?
Yeah.
Wow, he's got all of them.
Yeah, so remember we started with key day 1 and 2, and then we do key day 3 and 4. Okay, and then Mr. Whittaker, I showed you a picture of him last week. He got a bald head. You don't remember what he looks like. I remember when I'm doing that to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I pretended to be Mr. Bradford counted the band in, and when Daddy played the trumpet, he pretended to be Mr. Bradford actually playing the trumpet. And when I'm talking into the microphone, I'm being the person doing the assembly with this. We give me the Whittaker for key tape 1 and 2 and key tape 3 and 4. Let's start, so I'm going to start off by being Mr. Bradford and then Mr. Whittaker, etc. Okay? Remember, when I'm talking into the microphone, I'm being Mr. Whittaker. When I'm going to the band, I'm being Mr. Bradford. And when Daddy plays the trumpet, he's being Mr. Bradford playing with the band. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, then 1, 2, 0, 1, 20, titty titty bang bang. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
That'll do.
Good. So Daddy can't do the cornet and the trumpet and the euphoniums and the trumpet and the trumpet at the same time. So we got to do the trumpet, and when the time for one instrument to come in, he does other instruments. Got to quick reminder. Okay, 66, any three will do. After 2, 3, 4, 1. And 2, 3, 4, 1. That was the trumpet then at that point.
Was it?
Yeah,
Oh, right.
right, carry on.
That'll be you on tuba, then.
Yeah. And Mr. Drawdown Gaston.
Gaston?
Yeah.
Is that what he's called?
Yeah.
Cool. You know, there were people like that on there going, that's nothing like. It's like, yeah, no, probably not.
Okay, next number is it's a quick one, so I count a 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, and then we start. Okay?
Yeah, but start what? Any chance of giving us a number
Yeah.
so we know what tune it is?
69. 69, I want to be like you. After 2, 3, 4, what? 2. After 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, I can't remember that bit now. Oh, I've gone wrong.
Okay,
Whatever.
but
Don't forget, that came out before I was born.
okay, I'm going to be meteoritic for 1 second, Steven.
Alright, Ben.
Okay, Mr. Buffer, we'll have one more, Mr. Buffer, one more.
One more.
Yeah.
One more.
Yeah, I'm going to be Mr. now, Steven, okay. 65, I'll do, no, I'll do anything, I'll do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I thought 65 was hound dog.
No, 65 is Love Me Tender.
Yeah.
76 is Hound Dog.
Was it 76?
Yeah, 77 is Blue Moon.
Yeah, we know.
Blue the Moon.
Yes, and it's a Man City song. We don't sing it.
Okay, fine. 65 is Green Moon. 65, I'll do anything. At the 4. What? Mr. Buffett get confused, guys.
Ain't it just?
65, I'll do anything. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. Bit of an octave down, maybe. Anyway. Like I know about music. I can only play the side drum, the bugle, the trumpet.
Is that it?
No, I was, yeah, go on. That'll do.
Okay, let's get the back to be watching for floor.
I need a lot of practice on a trumpet, to say the least. Just give me a bugle, I'm alright with that.
Okay, so it's Friday. My name is Mr. Whittaker. You are the lucky 4 classes that have been chosen this week.
Oh,
To go into the assembly, and then we will have another 4 classes. Okay, because it's only a small group, we don't need a microphone. Okay,
No.
so
I still don't grasp it why they're only doing 4 classes. It's just a bit daft.
yeah, but it should be all of Key Stage 1 and 2 together.
Well, it still should be because it's an assembly.
Mm.
That's the whole point.
Okay.
It's an assembly of pupils.
And then for Key Stage 3 and 4, we're all of Key Stage 3 and 4 together. Then go take the Key Stage 1 and 2 assembly.
I think Key Stage 1 having 4 weeks at 4 different classes, or even not Key Stage 1, but that you went in at.
Yeah.
I can't remember what it's called now. It begins with P, doesn't it?
What?
Your first year at school.
Primary.
Yeah, well, that's what I had. You have all different stuff, don't you? I mean.
They call primary. We call it the primary assembly.
Right.
Okay, so
Anyway, carry on.
we don't need this microphone. So we are not going to use the microphone. We are going to talk by remembering our assembly rules. Okay, when somebody is talking at the front, we are looking and listening. When we want to answer a question, we put our hand up. And when we are thinking of whether it's our lighthouse song or a song from the band, we always try and join in, okay? And while somebody talking at the front, we stay quiet. Some people are not being quiet, which is a bit disappointing.
Well, it is when there's only 4 classes in.
Okay, so we are going to do attendance. Attendance,
Well
okay? And I'm going to do it off my phone.
I've noticed.
Okay? So there's only one club with 100% attendance this week in Key Day 1 and 2. And that class is 2R.
Ooh.
And the whole school attendance this week for Friday 30th of January 2026 is 91.6%.
Ooh, it dropped down again, hasn't it?
Yeah. Okay. We are now going to move on to a diva of the week. If you hear a name, you hear your class name or somebody else's name who is having their assembly in the Berry building.
Alright, I'm just checking to see whereabouts you are in shot. I don't think you can get your head on that. Can it? No, just pull it up. You can't do that.
Oh, no.
It's alright, chill out, it's fine, mate. It's not a problem, is it?
Right, now you got my head in shot.
Have you?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Okay,
Well,
so if you hear somebody is in this room, or you hear a name of somebody who is having their assembly in the Berry building, you're not going to get them a big round of applause like this, you're going to get them a little applause like this. Okay? If you would like to stand up when I call your name, that is fine. If you would like to stay seated, that is fine. And if you would like to come onto the stage, that is fine as well.
Okay.
Okay, so with 1B we got Frankie.
Frankie.
In 1M we got Maya.
Maya.
In 1W we got George.
George.
In 1N we got Cameron.
Cameron.
In 1H we got Rian.
Ooh.
In 2E we got Christian. In 2M we got Oliver. In 2W we got Henry. In 2P we got Kanda. Kayanda.
What was it, sir?
Kikika her Anega.
Kang.
Yeah, Kand. Into R we got Ronan.
Ooh.
Into G we got Kaya.
It's not the Ronan we know, though, is it?
Of Ronan.
You know, little thin, tiny Ronan that we used to see at the
No,
swimming pool and
no,
stuff.
he's a sixth form.
Was he with you in that sixth form?
Yeah.
Wow, cool. Good.
And into B we got Kobe.
Yay.
Okay, and I'm going to put the beam into buffer for 1 minute, guys. Okay, well, after I've been talking. Okay, and the band are going to play us our Star of the Week song. Okay, right, after 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so viewers, that Star of the Week song is a mini version and the remix of the song When the Saints Go Marching In.
It is quite right.
Okay then, we are going to do our side of the week. Have you deleted the side of the week? This week I do not need to look at the side of the week because I already know it off by heart.
Do you really?
Yeah, so last week our sign was sorry like this. Last week our sign was sorry like this
Mm-hmm.
on our heart. This week our side is no. So you put your hand like this and you do that. No. No. That's the sign for no. Okay.
I can think of another sign that would work, but I don't really think that we should be letting the viewers understand that particular one.
Okay then. It's time for PCA champion. And Mrs. Rollerson is backing this week. And Mrs. Rollerson, you can do Scott. I mean, You could do the PCA champions.
Yeah, they don't do scarf anymore, do they? Boring. I was liking scarf. We will
Okay, everybody be with the weather for 1 minute, guys, okay? Okay, band, daughter, we will rock you after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the... That's enough.
Alright. That's enough. You've ruined it enough. Shut up, Dad. Cheers, pal. Love you too. Well, I prefer Simple Minds. I'm sure if Paul Galley's watching, he'll find that joke quite amusing. But then,
Okay, and also, guys, there's nothing to do with the assembly, but they're having dead trams are in fact are being taken and trams are being in fact are being shut down, and Paul Galley has decided in that serious that he has called the police about it.
I'm sure he's not called the police about it. You think more of he's trying to go through the legal route to stop the council from doing anything that might harm the heritage trams.
And I'll show you.
Okie dokie.
I'll show you what I mean.
No worries.
It had nothing to do with assembly, guys. You carry on with the assembly.
Yeah, well, they'll be interested, to be honest, because let's be truthful. If he has, then good on you, Paul, because that council are all Labour-run idiots anyway. They couldn't balance the books if they only had one and it just sat flat on the floor. They'd still not be able to balance it, they're useless. Unfortunately, Labour, whatever I call them these days. Worst thing in the entire world. Anyone with half a brain cell knows that.
See that top bit there, see?
Yeah, police called over heritage tram threats.
See?
Alright.
So what does that mean, police call over heritage transfer?
Blackpool's council leader said concerns about the future of the town's heritage trams caused such a fever pitch that she was sent threats and had to bring in the police. Oh, give it a rest. Sent threats. God, she never heard it. Well, she should know. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me. What a stupid woman. Councillor Lynn Williams, I hope you're not watching this, because let's put it this way. You need to resign. That's disgraceful. She's got the same skin thickness as that prune that's in charge.
Keir Starmer.
Honestly.
Okay.
Like a balloon, his skin's that thin. He needs to grow a backbone.
Okay, right, back to the assembly, viewers.
Yeah, back to the assembly, because all the little kids will be going, what are you talking about? It's like, yeah, exactly.
Okay, well, thank you, Mr. Rollington, for the PCA champions. Okay, remember, you can only win a prize if your name is in the box and you have a ticket that is in the box. Okay.
And the only way you get your name and ticket in the box is by going to school as much as you can.
Yeah.
Which I know is it can be difficult at your school. Or what was your school?
Okay, we are now. Are we called? Are you doing the Park Community Academy with the Beta White Gate Drive? Now I historical with the Beta Centre Road, but are we calling the length to Park Community Academy with the Beta White Gate Drive? Get very confusing, viewers.
Yeah,
okay.
Really. It's just your sixth form.
We used to be based in Westbury with the database school, but that's where the year 11s are now. But the year 11s won't be in there for much longer. where the tables are, they're knocking the table down and building a multi-doorway classroom with 5 different classrooms in it, and Valley College, with the currently based at the Oracle, Mrs. Hughes is trying to arrange so they can move into the Westbury building at my school. But Valley College's main school site is Torview School in Burnley.
Yeah, it's not round the corner, is it?
Okay then guys, would we all like to stand up because we are going to do my lighthouse song?
I think I'll just sit down for this one for a minute.
Yeah, the banker takes it down, but you don't need to. William, sit down. If you are in the band, you are not part of this assembly. The banker, sit down, thank you, Cheeky.
In my wrestling, in my dance, in my
When does the world walk out?
your great love will lead me through. You are the peace in my troubled sea. Whoa, you are the peace in my troubled sea. In the silence, you won't let go. In the questions, your truth will hold. Your great love will.
And guys, Mr. Voodoo played the tuba in my band. He absolutely hates the children in need assemblies because he can't dance the children in need assemblies with a passion.
Well done, Bob.
How did they well done, Bob?
Find somebody else that understands that you shouldn't give children in need a single penny.
Why don't you not give them a single penny?
Because they've spent 400 grand to transgender children. There's no such thing as a transgender child. You've got an overbearing mother and father that should know better. Disgusting. Not only that. Because of the amount of money that they actually spend on children and the chief executive's yearly pay, they actually need to make £2 million in donations before they even break even. And again, it's because bureaucrats got involved, just like at Leighton's Christmas light switch on. Perfect, loads of people having lots of fun, everyone enjoyed it, until the council got involved, and now there's hardly anybody goes, and I wouldn't be too surprised if it's not even on next year, not this year, and you're forgetting, it's 2026. Should remember it has the birthday next week, but besides the point.
Yeah, it's Daddy's birthday on Thursday, 5th of February, and he will be 54 years old, 55 years old, sorry.
Alright,
Okay, and that's also the day I have Dominic, my carer.
yeah, you're more looking forward to that than my birthday. I'm not blaming you. I am. I'm more looking forward to seeing Dominic in my birthday.
What did I think about? He was when I see him on your birthday, on the birthday, and we can have cake together, and he can get into your flat.
He's not going to want to do that. It's fine, don't worry about it. Nothing like celebrating. It's just one of those extra years. All it is another year closer to the big man upstairs. Don't actually believe it, but never mind.
John.
No, not John. Since when's God been called John?
Where is John?
Don't know, I don't care.
When did he get in a new car?
Don't think he is.
Why?
No idea.
So how would he get around?
Well, for somebody that's having to go for dialysis allegedly 3 times a week, he does alright on his push bike.
Carla moved out.
No, not yet. Apparently she's paid another month's rent. Which Nigel was surprised at, but, yeah, well.
Okay, well, but
Gives
it
them more
doesn't
time
believe.
to move out.
But it doesn't believe, guys. Okay then, if you were all, like, you can all sit down, you would like to put your hand together or bow your head, so Matt will do today's prayer for us. After this, guys, I'm going back to be with the brother after I finish talking. Right out, my stupid dad.
My heavy house. Why did he never sing that one?
Okay.
My heavy house.
Okay, thank you, Max. Okay, and that is assembly finished.
For key stage 1 and 2.
Yeah, we are now going on key stage 3 and 4 after a little break. We will lead out with the band, and you would like to lead the whole one at a time. Have a really, really lovely weekend, and we will see you all back at school on Monday. Okay, guys, I'm going back to being Mr. Buffy now, and okay then, we will do, and let me go think of what we would do. Yeah, we do 95, a Y and a 5-0.
A Y and a 5-0.
Yeah,
Hawaii
a
5-0.
Y and 5-0. Up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'll have to do, because that's all I can remember. I
Okay.
can remember the guy called Jack Ford or Jack Clubman or
Okay, if you're in the band and you need
Jack
the
Ford.
toilet, now is the time to go. Okay then guys, I'm going to stop this video. Daddy will have to take the 2 parts together again, and I will join you in the Key 3 and 4 assembly.